Okay, let's get a question from the two ladies back there.
Mwiriwe, murakoze. Hello? Sorry. Turi impanga mutubabarire nicyo tuma twasabye ngo tuvugire icyarimwe. Murakoze President, reka mbanze mpahere kuri 2013 muri Toronto mwaradusuye muri Canada. Sinzi uko mutwibuka ariko twari impanga twaharagutse turabyina kugeza muduhaye ijambo. Icyo gihe muri duhaye naravuze nti mutubabarire turi very persistent ariko turi kuri mission. Iyo mission twashakaga ikibanza mu muri kiduhe twubakira abaturage, twubaka amashuri, twubaka amazu. Muri 2013 icyo gihe mwaravuze ngo ariko biroroshye ngo vugana hano na RDB bazakibaha icyo kibanza. Mwarakiduhaye. Icyo kibanza mwakiduhaye Bugesera duhamagara mama ngo turagowe ngo ubusa abantu hadakira imihanda hatagira amazi na electricity zagira gute. Kandi twari kumwe n'abazungu benshi dukorana muri Canada. Baravuga ngo mama aravuga ngo ko mudasenga musenga Imana ifite plan. Tugiye twumva ngo niho aeroport zizaza n'ibindi byose tutimana irashimwe. So, reka ngere kuri point. Since we talked to you in 2013, we have raised over $1 million Canadian. Twarahubatse haruzuye hari amazu abaturage amashuri y'abana turabagaburira n'abaminisitiri baza kudusura. Duherukanye na Minisitiri Sumutakiriyo aravuga ngo iyi modo mufite niyo y'igihugu dukeneye kugenderaho. So then ndagira ngo mbashimire mwaduhaye ikibanza kandi je nabutoye ni philanthropy only to volunteers. Je ndi umwarimu w'impumyi nkora Braille. I produce Braille for living with the government of Canada. Uyakora na Immigration Canada. Ariko kubera ko twavuze ngo tuzahahe neza ariko dufashe abiwacu tuve muri low income kuri middle class. Dore Mr. President Kagame nukuri na printinze 2050 vision ndayifite hano ndayisoma every word and that's what I want to do. Muzaze kudusura ariko utarankubita we. Sorry, bukuru andusha iminota 3 niwe ajya avuga. Ariko reka mvuge ijambo rimwe. Banyarwanda bacu n'inshuti z'abanyarwanda ibyo dukora twohereza $200,000 by'amadolari ku mwaka bituva muri twebwe n'inshuti zo muri Canada on a volunteer basis. So let me challenge you. Nkuko President Kagame abikora on behalf of a government, reka tubikore as a community. Government hikore yonyine. Oh yeah. Murakoze, we love you so much.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Your Excellency, there was one question that was asked about how much of the Rwandan GDP is spent on science and technology. Would you like to respond to that? I'll also remind people. Go ahead.
I will be brief. First of all, to raise that point, behind it, there is the importance of science and technology and how people should focus on it. But there is also a reality when it comes to Rwanda. Even the overall national budget is not big because of the size of the country and the economy. So I will not give a specific number, but I answer it in a way that it gives a picture of what it is. One, we focus on science and technology. We know it is important, it's a priority, and from the beginning we've done that. And we do it through education. And education is a sector that comes at the top as a priority, where we put a big chunk of national budget. It's education, it's health, it's infrastructure, understandably, and agriculture, and many things. So as part of education, where science and technology falls, and that sector helps to highlight the importance of science and technology, takes close to 15%, which is very huge. A big chunk of the budget for education is about 15%. So within that, there is another big chunk, therefore, of science and technology, among many other things within just one single sector.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. We do have 2 more questions in this room. The people should already have mics.
Murakoze nyakubahwa Perezida kuba muduha n'umwanya, finally mbonye microphone, ndumva bishimishije. Ni mazina yanjye nitwa Kwizera Landry, ndi Perezida w'Abanyarwanda batuye muri Maine, aho bari bakoma amashyi. Mu by'ukuri nta kibazo mfite, ahubwo ni ukubashimira uburyo mukomeza guha agaciro diaspora igihe cyose tubakeneye, mu kwa mutubonera umwanya, mukanatwibutsa ko dufite uruhare mu kugira ngo tugire iterambere mu gihugu cyacu, kandi turabizeza ko tutazaba tenguha.
Hello. Oh, wow. Okay. Your Excellency, I'd like to start and be like everybody else. Instead of a question, it's a vote of thanks. Erega, oya, munyumve Banyarwanda. Nyakubahwa Perezida wa Repubulika, ibibazo byinshi mwarabikoze ku buryo ubu ngubu igisigaye ni ugutanga amashimwe. My name is Yana Ruheta, and I'm a final year biochemistry student. I had the privilege to sit on the healthcare panel today, and to make us understand how revolutionary the healthcare system in Rwanda has been. Like this? Gurcha? Okay, perfect. I really want to highlight how revolutionary the healthcare system in Rwanda has been. In 1994, how much do you think was the Rwandan life expectancy? According to the World Bank in 1994, the life expectancy of Rwandans at birth was 44.6 years. Now, in 2022, the same study was done again, and guess where Rwandans are now? In 2022, life expectancy in Rwanda at birth is 66.5 years. This means that in only 2 decades, Rwanda was able to expand its people's life expectancy by 20 years, something that has rarely been seen in the world. So, Rwanda Rwiza, Rwanda Dukunda. Healthcare in Rwanda holds no bounds and has boundless opportunities.
Please make sure
So,
to get to the point.
yes,
Make
I'm
it
getting
quick.
to the point. I'm getting to the point.
Yes, please.
Abana
We have
bawe
a
bo
lot
mu
of people
mahanga.
waiting.
Yes, abana bawe bo mu mahanga. Dukora tukwibuka. Dukora turanzwe n'indangagaciro waduhaye, kandi gira icyizere abana bawe tuzagaruka gukomeza kukubaka no kuguteza imbere. Thank you.
Thank you so much. His Excellency has been very generous. We're going to take 3 more questions. We'll take 1 question from right here, and we'll get 2 questions from right there. And 1 more from here. That will be all. So let's give a mic. The 3 people standing right here at the front, and 1 person right here. Okay. Please get a mic to...
Thank you. Your Excellency, Mr. President, and everyone here. I'm Michael Luongo. I'm a PhD student and also an instructor at Purdue University School of Hospitality and Tourism Management. And if things fall into place, I'll teach for a little while at UTB in Kigali. My question, and I'll just get right to it, is where does tourism fit into Rwanda's future? It's how I know and how I was invited here. The embassy had invited me to this event, Charles and Vital, because I will be maybe teaching education about tourism there. The sports talk hinted at tourism, but can you tell me more details about where tourism and inviting foreigners to experience Rwanda fits into the future of Rwanda? Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'll also remind people that we do have other leaders in the room. We have the Minister of Justice, Minister of Finance, Minister of State of Health, Minister of Youth and Arts, the Minister of State of Education, and others that you heard from earlier. So we can also direct questions to those people. Okay, let's hear from the two people right there. One more here, and that will be all for today.